So, guys, today I wanted to talk to you something about self-discipline. Why are you not able to be really motivated and driven in your goals towards anything in life? Is because the activities which you are indulged in gives you a lot of short-term pleasure, which gives your mind a lot of neurotransmitter chemicals, which makes you feel really active at that time. By the time you move away from them, you just feel that you haven't achieved anything in life for so matter. Now, giving you a simple example, just in case if you're trying to look at the sun for a very long time, what's going to happen is the sun definitely looks good, the sky definitely looks good, but the time you turn your eyes away from them and start looking back into your room, no matter how beautiful your room is, it's just going to seem dark completely. So these are high stimulus, which means like they give you really short-term pleasure, but don't give you much result out of it. Being on the other side, low stimulus, but really highly value products are things which we do in our day-to-day life. They are very short things but give you really good result. Now, for example, looking at the moon. Now, moon being something which wouldn't take away your eyesight completely as you turn back to your room. It's gonna be the same way as it was, but these are the things which are really good for long-term gains. Now, for example, high stimulus, low value products are things like drugs, pornography and gaming, alcohol, partying late night. These are the things which give you short-term pleasure. You feel really, really happy quickly, instantly when you do these things. But the time you move away from them, you feel you have not achieved anything in life. Whereas the low value thing, sorry, low stimulus thing, high value products are the thing like waking up early, journaling, eating clean, and trying to be very disciplined, staying with the like-minded people who are really goal oriented in life. These are the things which needs to be done consistently for a very long time, and that's when you're gonna get good result coming out of it. So just make sure, guys, it doesn't have to be always really interesting thing, really entertaining thing that you are doing in life. Sometimes things which are really low in stimulus are something which give you really good long-term results, but things which are really high in stimulus, which kind of makes you excited quickly and then brings you down really quickly after the activities are done, those are the things you always want to try to exclude from your life, and that's gonna make you disciplined, that's gonna make you more driven towards your goals in life. I hope, guys, we all kind of set up our minds in the right way and find the right path. Thank you.